Welcome back to my channel Learn Easy Education. Today we see 10 lines about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 at Maho in Madhya Pradesh. His full name was Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was one of the greatest leaders in Indian history. He was first Law Minister of India. He was a social reformer, jurist, politician and economist. He is called the father of Indian constitution. We celebrate his birthday as Ambedkar Jayanti. He spent his entire life in the struggle against the caste system prevalent in Indian society. He was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1980. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a great source of inspiration for all of us. Thank you.